The ultimate Noleur reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you've ever seen an online clothing deal that looks too good to be true, most people rush to check out. But here's the surprising truth: smart shoppers review before they buy. Noleur is a fashion website offering stylish tops, dresses and accessories at budget-friendly prices. But the real question is, how do you know if it's worth your money? Start by examining the website itself. Look at the product listings, sizing charts and customer support options. You won't believe how often missing policies are the first giveaway of a risky store. Check for return rules, delivery estimates, and whether contact info is clear. Next, look at customer feedback, not just the reviews on the site, but independent stories. Some shoppers may mention delays, sizing surprises, or fabric differences from photos. Others might be happy with what they received, especially when they expected simple, everyday clothing instead of luxury quality. A pro tip: always check payment security. Make sure the checkout page uses safe processing tools and never share unnecessary personal details. Most people skip this step, but here's why it matters. Good deals shown cost you more later through hidden risks. Shipping times can vary, especially with international delivery. That means be patient and plan ahead if you're buying for an event or special occasion. In conclusion, going from 0 to pro in Noleur shopping means being a smart online buyer. Enjoy the trendy styles and affordable pricing, but take a moment to double-check reviews, sizing, and store policies. Fast fashion can be fun as long as your expectations and choices are clear.